Hi, this is James with the 1hoursmarthome.com, and today we are going to show you how to connect Alexa to Wemo so that you can use Alexa Wemo commands. So the very first thing you're going to do is going to go to the Alexa app here. Just open it up. Okay, so it shows me everything that's going on here. And now what I need to do is add a skill. So I'm going to go to this menu in the upper left-hand side of the screen. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click on skills and games down here. I click on skills and games. It's going to take me to another category. It's going to show me all my current skills. It's going to show me what skills I can add, what needs updated, different categories, and if I just want to discover skills. But what I need to do is I need to search for a specific skill because we are looking right now to get Wemo commands, Alexa Wemo commands on our phone. So we're going to click up here in the search on the upper right hand corner. It looks like a magnifying glass, and we're going to click in Wemo. All right. Okay, so now the Wemo skill pops right up here. We're just going to click on that. Click, and all you have to do now is you can look through this. It tells you what the Wemo app will do. You can read through all this stuff on your own, but it'll also tell you the commands that you can use with Wemo. And then it tells you the reviews and stuff down there. Usually what I find about the reviews are always bad for every Alexa app, even really good products. It's because most people just don't know how to use the commands and they give up right away. So don't be that person. Try, follow the instructions, and it will work. And then what you're going to do is click enable to use. Okay. And then you're going to have your Wi-Fi enabled. Ensure your Wemo remote access is enabled. And then you're just going to click ready to verify and follow the instructions here. And that is just going to walk you through the process right on the Alexa app, and it will allow you to enable Alexa commands on Wemo. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to this channel. We always appreciate your support, and you can learn more at onehoursmarthome.com.